Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, February the 5th, 2022. In this edition, we have 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. I've already solved 2 puzzles, and this will be my third puzzle. The rest of the puzzles in this additional, I will do those tomorrow, because tomorrow we have no newspaper. And this Tectonic with 4 stars will be number 4085. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Printed digits. Could be a hard one. But it also could be an easy one. We will see. Okay, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. I cannot tell. We will see. This one I've solved in 33 minutes. So yeah, sometimes you need more time, and lately I'm having troubles with my voice, my throat, yes, and yeah, I'm not feeling tip top. So yeah, I need more time than usual. Yes. All right. First question to you. So let's get started. Can we see here the single boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Here we have a single box. There are single boxes. Always a 1. So let me put the 1 there. Then the following question. Dual boxes. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. But I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Here the same. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Here we have a triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the 1 and the 2 could be everywhere. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, this one, could be 4 or a 5. Same for this box. Near the middle box could be 4 or a 5. Okay. Here another triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I do not know in which order, but the inside box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. It cannot be the 1, the 2, or the 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill those numbers in these 3 boxes. So 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. Okay. All right. Triple box. Then the quadra box. Do we have any quadra boxes here in this puzzle? Yes, I see a quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this box, yeah, is always a 5. Always a 5. Okay. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. We have here the T shape. If you see the T shape, and this is the T shape. When you see the T shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So let me draw this here. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. More T shapes in this puzzle, yeah. I see here a T shape upside down. So this box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shapes. Only 2 T shapes in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Okay, we have here this shape. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay, 1 or a 2. But, yeah. But I see here a 1. So it cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. One box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay. More of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? The L shape. Here we have an L shape. The L shape. When you see an L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Well, this is also an L shape, but quadra box. We mean L shape with 5 boxes. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Yes. Let me draw this here. Alright. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because next step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling the numbers. By the way, we have here 4. There are more shapes. I believe there are 6 shapes or figures that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have only 4. Okay, let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes. It's a box in the quadra box. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped quadra box for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. Okay, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also this box can also not be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes in that box. Okay, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. Well, I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. Now we have a 4 there. So it cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Ah! Overlooked. Of course. And the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be a 2. And this box is connected with this box. Should be also a 2. Okay. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Well, this box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. Well, here cannot be a 3 because I've marked this with 4 or a 5. So this box should be a 3 and that box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Okay, I've marked those two boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. We go up. 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Finished in 30 minutes. 4 stars? Well, no. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So publisher, this is not a 4 stars indication. It's a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. And we will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, new day. We have 3 puzzles left in this additional. I will continue with this additional. So see you tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.